It's important that your Amazon affiliate site have a nice looking banner image. It doesn't have to be a work of art, but it should look nice and professional. Some people use a very large image in the header area. This kind of a design can be great for local sites or for corporates, but this is not suitable for affiliate websites. A large image in the header can be very bad for conversions. You do not want to use large images in the header area of affiliate websites. You want the banner to take as little space as possible, yet appear nice and professional. The size of the image you would want to use depends on your theme. Every theme recommends a size for the header. To see what the size recommended by your theme is, go to Appearance, Header. In this case, the theme recommends an image that measures 1260 by 240 pixels. Unless you are conversant with programs like GIMP or Adobe Photoshop, you would want to outsource the design and creation of your header image, and it doesn't have to be expensive. There are lots of sellers on Fiverr who can design a nice looking banner for just $5. You do not have to spend any more than that. Search for website banner on Fiverr and you will see lots of gigs. Just select one and place a request for a website banner, and you should have a nice looking banner in about a day's time. Be sure to mention the size of the image you require. Once you have received the file, you will again want to go to Appearance, Header, and choose to add a new image. I do not need to crop this image. Let me save and publish. If we now view the website, the site now has a nice looking banner.